Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of mighty Allah. Welcome to my another video. Today I want to tell you 10 commanding sentence with meaning. So let's start. Stand up, don't stand up. দাঁড়াও, দাঁড়িও না. Number 2, sit down. Don't sit down. বসো, বসো না. Number 3, come here, go there. এখানে আসো, ওখানে যেও না. Number 4, be optimistic. আশাবাদী হও. Number 4, don't lose your temper. উত্তেজিত হয়েও না. Number 6, look at me. আমার দিকে তাকাও. Number 7, take your cloth. তোমার জামা নাও. Number 8, get in, get out. ভিতরে এসো, বাহিরে যাও. Number 9, listen carefully. সতর্কভাবে শোনো. Number 10, don't disturb me. আমাকে বিরক্ত করো না. So, thank you very much for listening. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.